Bonnie, happy Friday night. I am back with a full-on Scooby-Doo mystery. So I've been wanting to review the Dove Holiday Treats collection right here, and I can't find it anywhere. So I went to Walmart and nothing. There's nothing in my Walmart, and we have a big Walmart. I did get a message from my friend Kristen, who I'd like to have on my show. She's probably going to come on my show at some point. She found the entire collection at the Chardon Walmart. So if you're from the area in Northeast Ohio, go to Chardon. It looks like they have the display. I don't know if there's anything left. She sent me a picture. There you go. Body wash, the scrub. And then she actually texted me and she said she wasn't super thrilled. And I'm hearing that from a lot of people. They had sort of a butyric acid spoiled smell mixed in. And I'm hearing that from many people that no one is impressed with this collection. So they have 3 different scents. One is peppermint bark, which a lot of people are excited for because peppermint bark sounds wonderful. Inspired by fresh peppermint candy blended with rich creamy chocolate. The cinnamon pumpkin pie, which I actually have right here, is supposed to be inspired by sweet cinnamon spice mixed with buttery pumpkin notes. And then sugar cookie, which is supposed to be heartwarming vanilla nuttiness of freshly baked sugar cookies. There is a body wash, those big body washes that Dove has, the beauty bar, the body scrub, and then the hand soap, which I have. So, like I said, my friend got these. I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit. The picture, that's the body wash. The scrub is like the tubs. So it basically says Dove Holiday Treats. It should be like on a kiosk on the end. Like I said, I went to my local Walmart and they didn't have the kiosk. So I don't know what to think. So again, I got the Dove Holiday Treats Cinnamon Pumpkin Pie Deep Nourishing Hand Wash right here. I smelled it a couple days ago, and I wasn't like impressed either way. To me, it actually looks a little bit like pumpkin pie. It's orange, but I don't really get that much of a scent from it. I haven't even tried it yet. I've been so busy. I actually haven't like tried. I gotta try it. But you know, like, just initially, I'm not really getting hardly any scent from this. It's kind of a nice pumpkin. It does not smell like sweet cinnamon pumpkin from Bath & Body Works. It smells more like an actual pumpkin pie, which is kind of nice. I guess, like, it doesn't have, like, a lot of cinnamon in it. So that might be a good thing. I don't think I'm going to hate it. It doesn't smell terrible to me. I'm hearing that the peppermint bark and the sugar cookie have a little bit more of that spoiled milk quality. Remember Berry Waffle Cone from Bath & Body Works? That had, like, especially the soap. Not so much like the shower gel or anything. Why can't I open this? That had that, like, weird spoiled milk scent to it. I know sometimes Bath & Body Works, you get like a soap or something and you're like, oh my gosh, this does not smell good. So the soap, the bar soap, comes in a 2-pack here. By the way, I ordered these. You're probably going, where did you get those if you didn't get them at Walmart? I ordered them online. So I tried to get the whole collection online. I put everything in my cart and they're like, not available, not available. I wanted to order the whole collection, but I couldn't. So again, Scooby-Doo mystery is this is really hard to find. The packaging's cute. I gotta say, I like the packaging. So let me open the Dove bar up here. Funny, because my mother uses Dove soap. Oh, it's orange. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm kind of getting it. Oh my, this is not good. Oh my gosh. It's funny, I'm not getting that horrible scent in the hand soap. This smells better. This smells a lot better, but oh my gosh, this bar soap is putrid. What is oh my gosh, now I get what people are talking about. There is something really spoiled, rancid about this scent. It just is not good. You know what it smells like? It almost smells like they took actual Dove and instead of like doing a full new formula. They just like added the pumpkin spice in there. Or it's not pumpkin spice. What is it? It's called pumpkin pie. It's cinnamon pumpkin pie. So you're getting like a soap smell, but you're also getting, I don't know what you're getting. I don't know, something, smells something like the Grinch would be used. Okay, I'm getting it, you guys. I'm not liking this. Oh my gosh. So, you know, I don't even know what to think of this collection. I don't even know if I want the rest of it, if I can find it, now that I've smelled the pumpkin pie. I thought I saw someone say that Sugar Cookie was a little bit better. I don't know. If you've gotten this collection, please leave a comment below, because I'm really, really curious to what people are saying about it. This is not pumpkin pie. This is like pumpkin pie and like something really weird mixed in. Anyway. Okay, well that was fully disappointing. Anyway, there you have it. Dove holiday treats. You can't find it, and even if you do find it, you might not like it. Anyway, I'm sticking with the Bath & Body Works, the Lush, and the Trader Joe's on that one. I gotta say, the Trader Joe's chocolate hot cocoa, that's a win. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you as always for watching. Bye bye.